so much for stopping by my channel. Today we're gonna be doing a beginner's eyebrow tutorial, but before we begin, I just wanna address a few things regarding eyebrows, and that is when it comes to eyebrow shaping. You certainly want to know what your face shape is, because eyebrows frame your face. Now, if you don't know what your face shape is, and then you go in and you fill in your eyebrows, you know your eyebrows can make or break an entire look. And therefore, that is why it's important for me to cover this topic. There are 6 types of face shapes, and these are your round face shape, your oval face shape, your square face shape, your oblong face shape, the heart face shape, and lastly, the pear face shape. Now, if you want to know if your face shape, square shape, or oval face shape, well, these are the things that you need to look out for. Now I'm gonna start with the round face shape. Round face shape is soft and has curved chin, just slightly curved chin. The cheekbones are the widest part of the face. Rounded brows on a rounded face shape can make it appear rounder, okay? And you don't want that. This is what you need to do if you've got a round face shape. Keep your brows soft and slightly curved so that it can add height on the arc and length on the tail, creating an illusion of a longer face. An oval face shape has a forehead that is not much wider than the chin. People with an oval face shape basically can pull off any type of eyebrow look. So they can get away with anything. They can get away with murder. So it's not much of a hassle for someone with an oval face shape to pull off any type of brows. Like people with square face shape, their jaws are like more defined. You can even like tell like the jawline is like square-ish. A lifted arc and a longer tail can help elongate the face. Now, people with oblong face shape are very similar to people who have a square face shape. The only difference is that your forehead, your cheeks, and your jawline will be around the same width, with a little curvature of the chin. So it will be similar to the square face shape. It's just that it is slightly square here and slightly curved, but just slightly than the square face shape. So what you need to do if you've got an oblong face shape, you need to add length on the tail, and you need to keep your eyebrows far apart, like where they begin. You need to keep them far apart from each other so it can give an illusion of a wider forehead, because people with oblong face shape don't have much wider forehead. It's very small, unlike some of us who have a forehead that starts from there, you know, Bermuda. Yeah. Now, moving on to the heart face shape. People with the heart face shape, the forehead is the widest part of their face, and they've got a narrow, pointed chin. For this face shape, you need a softly shaped brow with a slight curve. Try to keep them shorter in length and close together so that it can draw attention in the middle of your face. Pear face shape is also called a triangular face shape. Pear face shape have a defined jawline that tapers all the way to their hairline. This face shape, you have to make sure that your eyebrows are longer and arched, because it actually makes the lower half of your face appear narrow. Now that you know what your face shape is, let's begin the tutorial. Now, this is how you begin to shape your eyebrows, by first knowing where to place your starting point, your arc, and your tail. I'm just using the back end of my spoolie, and you need to hold it vertically, okay? And align it from the inside corner of your eye, like so. Next, what you need to do is look straight ahead. Place a mirror in front of you, and you have to look straight ahead. And when you're looking straight ahead, you take your spoolie and you do a 45-degree angle, okay, to where your pupil, the pupil of your eyes is. Slightly move it to where your pupil is, okay? Now this is where my pupil of the eye on my spoolie meets. This is where my arc should be. Now to know how long the tail of your brow should be, put it right there. Now you need to line it up with the outside corner of your eye. Another 45 degrees. Right there. Now this is where the tail of my brow should end. Right there. Can you see? Outside corner of my eye. That is where the tail of my brow should end. And now you're gonna take your spoolie and brush your eyebrows the way that they would naturally grow. Now you take your product, whether you're using a pencil, a gel, whatever you're using, the process is basically the same. As I mentioned, I'll be using the LA Girl Brow Gel in dark brown. Now I'm just gonna be looking this side because this is where my mirror is and I need to see what I'm doing. So what you need to do is take your product, your pencil or whatever, and you draw a line. Ever so lightly if you can, but if you mess up, it's fine anyway, we can clean it up afterwards. You're gonna draw a line and make sure that the line meets with your how your natural brow grows. So this is your bottom line. And then I'm just extending it. We're gonna draw a line above. So we're just gonna do it like not at the starting point, but right there. See? Right there. However, when we did our eyebrow measurements, this is where our eyebrow should begin. Now don't mind that, because there we're gonna clean it up afterwards. As long as you know like where your eyebrow should start and end, the rest will be easy to clean up or to shape up using your concealer. And then just like the line at the bottom, you're gonna make sure that it meets right here where your arc should be. And you're gonna take your spoolie and you're just gonna lightly brush. I'm brushing my brows this way because this is how my natural brows grow, so I'm brushing them towards that direction. And then here at the front, I'm just gonna brush them upwards. Once you're done doing that, you're gonna take your concealer. You're gonna start now cleaning and shaping now, because the concealer helps you to clean and shape at the same time. So if you've made any mistakes while you're filling in your brows, you can definitely fix it using your concealer. It doesn't matter where you begin, top or bottom, it's up to your preference. By mistake, while you're cleaning your brows, you just end up messing it up somehow, the concealer just, something happens and then your concealer just goes blue. just take the same product you use, pencil or gel, just take it and you fill it back in. So if you've drawn your eyebrows a bit too thick and you want to make them smaller, all you need is your concealer and you just go along with it bit by bit. Once you're happy with that, you take a flat brush. It can be an angled brush. Just make sure it's a flat brush. So what you do is just take it and just blend that in. Then you're gonna take your spoolie again. Brush them upwards. Don't fuss too much about your eyebrows looking the same. No eyebrow is the same. So eyebrows are not meant to be twins, they're actually meant to be sisters, so they cannot look perfect. You're always gonna have a problem with one eyebrow and the other eyebrow is always gonna be like on point, perfect. So if that doesn't happen, don't bug yourself too much, because eyebrow, you always find that one eyebrow or one eye is higher than the other one. So don't fuss about it, just chillax. You got your brows, you're done, out the door. That's it. Now that you got your eyebrows done, I certainly hope that you enjoyed this beginner's eyebrow tutorial. And if you have any requests or any makeup tutorials that you'd like for me to do, or whichever topic you'd like me to cover, just comment down below and make sure that I get back to you. And also I'll definitely link all the products that I used on the description box below, so check that out. Until next time guys, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, comment, share and like. Until next time, bye.